Hey guys, so this is actually the first time I think that I have vlogged without actually being on a hike. We are going to be going to the beach today. So yeah, we haven't been to the beach in years. Today I'm just going by myself. I mean, driving to pick up my sister and her friend Mikell, who I've known for years since they were teenagers. But yeah, we're gonna have a fun beach day. So one of the reasons why we haven't really gone to the beach in years is because Dave cannot stand the sand getting everywhere, because it does. It gets like everywhere. It gets in your car, it gets in your shorts, it gets in your between your toes, and like I guess he just can't stand it. So it's kind of funny. Dave has a kind of a mild case of what one might call OCD, but that's okay because I love him anyway, just the way he is. Aww. Nice being at the beach. I haven't been to the beach in so long.
This pigeon's trying to fight me right now.
I forgot what it's like at the beach with like birds trying to eat your stuff all of the time. Like freaking pigeons are out of control.
On the loose.
They're on the loose. They're crazy. Look at these pigeons swarming us right now, trying to get our food. I'm on to you. You should go run along the beach right here in like slow motion. I'll like put it in slow-mo for you. That'd be real cute.
Yeah, maybe in a little bit.
Just a little cold, huh, Mikell?
Tuesday was getting home from my crazy when I got straight in LA.
Violet!
Tuesday was getting home. And
Come over here!
sleep because
Come here!
24 hours a week is